I ended up getting a laptop in with a bad hard drive. I ended up purchasing a Samsung 860 EVO solid state for a replacement. Once I unpackaged it, I docked it onto my computer to make sure that the hard drive was good to go at 100% and that it didn't have drive failure or DOA. Once I made sure that the drive was good to go, I got the bracket off the old hard drive and installed it onto the new hard drive, and then installing it into the laptop itself. I'll put the back cover on once it's 100% just in case I need to access the drive again if there is some type of failure. I went ahead and docked Windows 10 from an external hard drive to do the installation on this laptop. Even though it already had 8.1 on there, you can still upgrade to Windows 10 without a problem. It'll install the files. Once the files have been installed, then it'll ask you to pretty much set up the laptop as a new user. Once it's all set up, good to go, as you'll see here, it'll be activated even though I didn't have to do an upgrade from 8.1. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully this helps you out with some of your repair processes.